In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, and then go to contacts and locate the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Let me pick Margot. Then tap on information icon, and here you can smoothly edit this contact of yours by tapping on edit. Then select profile picture, and here you can smoothly choose something from your own gallery or grab a photo right now by choosing the camera. So let me pick something from gallery, just give all needed permissions, pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can obviously customize it, so you can make it bigger or smaller as only you prefer. Let me do it this way, and then click on done. Now just tap on save, and as you can see from now on, this profile picture will be assigned to your contact, and anytime Margot will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.